In February 2023, I did an official training for Canva about how to get organized in your Canva account, and there were a ton of questions that I didn't have time to answer during the Q&A. So, I'm answering them in this video series. How can I best clean up an existing account that's only half organized? The first thing I would recommend is to assess why it's only half organized. Have you already created a folder system with the intention of organizing your designs, but you've found it difficult to use? If so, you'll want to ask yourself if you have the wrong folders in place, and you'll need to reevaluate the content in your Canva account to determine what folder structure would actually make sense for you. If you're feeling too much friction with your existing folder setup, then it's most likely not the right one for you, and you'll need to adjust it so that you can create a filing system that is consistently easy to use and maintain. So that would be step number one. Figure out whether or not your lack of organization is a result of the system that you started to implement. If you know it's not the folder system, that is, you're certain you've created the right Canva filing cabinet folders, and the reason it's only partially organized is because you simply can't find the time or the energy or the bandwidth to complete the organization, then it may just be a matter of figuring out how to tackle it in smaller chunks, or putting aside all of your old designs into a folder to tackle at a later date, so you can just move forward with a clean slate until you're able to chip away at your past designs. Or delegating the remaining organization project to somebody else to finish up. For example, if you have an assistant, if you have another team member, if you have a business partner who is more interested in the administrative side of things, it might be worth considering if you have to be the person to finish the organization project. I also have various resources and services that may be just what you need to get your organization project completed. So look for more information about those resources in the links below this video. If you haven't yet upgraded to Canva Pro, I encourage you to give it a try. And you can do a 45-day free Canva Pro trial by going to brendacadman.com/Canva. Stay tuned for more Canva tips and tutorials, and make sure to join us in the How to Use Canva community by going to howtousecanva.com.